Creating consistent characters is now easier than ever. With just one structured prompt, you can define every detail from hairstyle and outfits to background and action. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step tutorial showing you how I created consistent characters using Leonardo AI. We'll explore its features and use its tools to design characters for any scenario. So let's get started. First things first, we'll use ChatGPT to craft detailed prompts for our character. Start by pasting the prompt from the description box below. This prompt includes details such as age, facial description, hairstyle, outfit, background, and actions. ChatGPT will generate something like this. Ethan Carter, age 15, with every detail of the facial expression and background according to our structure. Now that we have our prompt, it's time to bring it to life with Leonardo AI. You'll find the link to it in the description. One of the best things about Leonardo AI is that you get enough credits to use it for free. Here's how to get started. Once you open the website, log in with your email. The website offers various AI tools, but we'll focus on the image generator tool for now. Let's first start by applying the basic settings from the left. From the list of different AI models, you'd want to choose the Phoenix 1.0 for your project. Next, we'll select an image style. The third dimension render style is quite popular recently, so I'll choose this one. All the other settings can be set according to your preference, including the dimensions of the image. Let's now get to the fun part. Copy and paste the full character description that you generated from ChatGPT. But notice that I left out the background description and the action of the character. We're going to add something extremely basic here, such as the background is a sunny park with green grass and the character is standing in the grass. This is because we want to give AI as minimum information to start with as possible, so that it only focuses on the facial description of the character. Let's hit create and see what we get. Alright, so the free version generates 4 different images of the character. Me personally, I'm pretty satisfied with the results, but if you're not, then feel free to try out the tool a couple of times for better results. What we're going to do now is the most important part of the video, so you're gonna need to watch carefully. From the right, you'll need to click on the 3 dots option right here. Select the copy seed option. This will copy a unique number on your clipboard. Now go to the menu on the right and find Advanced Settings. Select it and enable the Fixed Seed option. And finally, paste the unique seed number that you just copied from your image. What this does is provide a reference number to Leonardo AI, allowing it to use this image as a basis for future creations. This ensures that the character's facial features remain consistent in all subsequent images generated. Now head back over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you 6 different options for the character's outfit, background details, and action. The goal here is to mix and match these descriptions in Leonardo AI, allowing you to create different images of the same character with varying outfits, backgrounds, and actions. But if you're going forward with a script, then feel free to add your custom description for the character. Now to test the tool, I'll first copy and paste only the background and the action for our character that ChatGPT gave us now, and let everything else remain the same. Then I'll hit generate. Let's see whether the results are similar. Alright, so these are the images that it's generated for us. Obviously, they are not completely similar, but you can see the resemblance from the first project. So the more you train this tool, the more similar your images will be. Let's try it one more time, but this time we'll change the character's outfit, background details, and also the action, and see whether there is any similarity between our characters. This time, as you can see, there is a visible similarity between this and our first character, and that too in only 2 attempts. So, by training this tool even more, you can definitely create consistent characters for your projects. These are some of the characters that I generated from Leonardo AI. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Until next time.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Think AI Verse, for all the latest and exciting content related to AI.